Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be about a subtle no makeup look for all the pretty college and school going girls out there. So let's get started. So starting with an oil-free moisturizer, because we don't want our skin to get oily throughout the day, I'm going to start with a NUTROGENIA oil-free moisturizer which also has an SPF in it. And I'm going to apply it generously all over my face and my neck. This is my brother bombing my video. Then taking BIOLINE, I'm going to apply it generously all over my lips. On a daily basis, I do not wear a foundation. Instead, I use my favorite Pond's BB Plus cream. And I'm going to take like 2 to 3 pumps of it. Then in a dabbing motion, I'm going to apply it all over my face and my neck using my fingers. Do not forget your ears, because you don't want your ears to look of a different shade that of your face. Since this is a very subtle makeup look, I'm not going to make any triangle under my eyes, and I'm just concentrating on concealing those little dark circles and the redness around my nose. Now again, in a dabbing motion using my fingers, I'm going to push the product inside. Now as soon as I'm finished with concealing, I'm going to seal everything inside so that my makeup stays for a good 7 to 8 hours, and for that I'm using L'Oreal Paris Matte Magique Translucent Compact. Taking the sponge of the same compact, and in a pressing motion I'm going to press everything inside. Now folding the sponge like this for a better precision, I am going to use it for my under eye area. And again, in a dabbing motion, I am going to press the concealer in and prevent it from greasing. After my base is all set for a good 7 to 8 hours, I am going to fill in my eyebrows using Wet n Wild's eyebrow kit in the shade Ash, and going to fill in my sparse areas using this light brown shade. Taking Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl Liner in the shade Simba Brown, now I am going to tight line my eyes. I am not using any dark black gel liner or anything very loud, because this is again an everyday look and I want everything to look as natural as possible. Now using my ring finger, I am going to blend and smoke out the same liner. I am also using the same pencil on my waterline, and then using my finger I am going to smoke out everything. I personally do not like using mascara on an everyday basis because I feel they damage my eyelashes. So if you want to go for a mascara, you can totally go for it. Then I'm going to apply my favorite go-to MAC lipstick in the shade MEHR. This is such a beautiful nude pink shade, guys, and it suits almost all the skin tones. And whenever I'm clueless as to what shade should I wear, what lipstick should I wear, I just go for this one. And again with my finger, I'm going to blend it all. Now for my cheeks as well, I'm going to use the same MAC lipstick and skipping the blush. And using my finger, I'm going to first dot the apple of my cheeks and then blend them in. So this is the finished look, guys. It was so simple and doable on an everyday basis. It involved no foundation, no gel liner, no mascara, no blush, and yet it is so cute and pretty that you can pull out every day. So this is it for today, guys. If you like my work, please give my video a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel, please subscribe, because I make 2 videos a week. So this is Chetna signing off. Bye bye.